Hello guys, it's the weekend wanderers. It is the weekend today and it is a beautiful day. And today we have decided to ride Kankona and conquer the Karmal Ghats. So we have here our Jingur who has car packed his cycle to my place, which is Madgaon, and from where we are starting the journey. So yeah, let's start. Let's go. So the weather is chilly, bit of a foggy around here, and we have got a trailer of what's coming next, which is the beautiful sunrise. Bit of a traffic around, but everything is perfect. We have reached Munkoim bus stand, which is around 13 km from Madgaon. Did a quick snacking, and off we go. Finally, we caught a beautiful sunrise which spotlighted the beautiful mountains and the Karmal Ghats where we are heading.
We are climbing the Karmal Ghat now and it's beautiful. It's very steep. We're gonna do it. The landscape is just stunning. So nice.
So, if someone asks, pedaling so much early in the morning is worth it, I would say yes, anytime for such a beautiful cinematic art of nature. Wow. So, this is one of the most beautiful sunrises I've ever seen, with sunlight spotlighting you throughout the journey, making you feel like a main character of the movie all along. A must try experience. Wow, just wow.
करमल घाट के
So, after enjoying some good views and beautiful sunrises, riding uphill and downhill all along the mountains, we finally reached our first destination point, which is the Chapoli Dam. So now we have started riding to our second point where we are going to stop, which is Sri Mallikarjun Swami Temple, gorgeous temple. You will see ahead. On the way, had this ice cream to beat the heat. So yeah, finally we reached to our second beautiful resting point, which was Sri Mallikarjun Swami Temple. Then we started moving towards our third point, which was Talpona Beach with sun on top of our head. It was afternoon, so we decided to rest a bit and have a quick lunch, and then got back onto cycle to reach Sadolshe Beach. So our last point, which is Rajbaga Beach, where we rested a bit and then decided to boomerang back home. So on our way back, we got caught by our dear Karmal Ghat again. The Karmal Ghat was increasing its level, and with that also was increasing our breathing levels. So yeah, it was a bit of a hassle there. So at last we reached the summit of the Karmal Ghat and conquered it. The feeling was like winning a war. So yeah, with the reserve energies, we started heading back home. It was a wonderful experience and the ride was amazing with all the beautiful mountains, blue skies, new experiences, cinematic views, and it was all worth it, as I say again and again. So my friend here started disassembling his cycle to car pack it and get back home. Yeah, we were a bit tired, but yeah, also excited for the next weekend where we are going. Our energies were full with the adventures we had today. It was wonderful day today. So yeah, see you soon for the next vlog.